Hi everyone. Today Monday November 10. This is typhoon time in the Philippines. Now I'm in the parking of the Dow Pure Gold. And I want to show to you walking around Dow, also Dow terminal. Very good weather already. Sunny day. Don't have rain. Little bit windy, but it's okay. Today not working day in the Philippines. Not so many people, but already now some of people go outside because sunny day. Oh, this bank already moved to the Mabalacat, to Walter Mart. I will go to Walter Mart later and show to you. Don't have traffic right now. Take a look, empty road. Empty. Converse is closed. One subscriber say don't have internet in Angeles City, but I call it to Georgi and he said have internet only night time. Last night don't have power, don't have electric power, but have internet. It's Baronessa place. Georgi lived before here also in Baronessa place. He said good apartment have. And this new building in Dow maybe also have apartment, I don't know. Banks also close. Land bank close. What about electric car, electric motors? Bike shop. Bike shop open today. Very popular. Windy now. But I not bring umbrella. I don't know. Maybe after a few hours starting rain. But I will walk only there. I go to the Dow terminal only. Drugstore still open. McDonald's open also. Fall down, take a look, fall down. Yeah, because strong wind. Ladies bed space, maybe popular. But most of Filipino eat like this one. This is fried foods. Take a look, it's oil and fry. Chicken, this one. Oh, okay. And how much this one? 20 pesos only. Okay. Okay, thank you. Welcome depot. Open now. Parking. Okay, we're going to up. I want to see what happened, what they do it in the road. A little bit faster. I don't like slowly. Take a look what they do it now. I think they want to put fence between the road. And this way going to Angeles City. I think they want to put something between the road because always so many accidents, some of turn and so many people running through the road. So we're going to Dow terminal right now. Another street foods. Okay, pork siamai. This is siamai. And this already Sogo hotel. Maybe clean, maybe good, I don't know. No, thank you. Diesel 5660, expensive really. 3 days ago I take the diesel for 49.50 in Mabalakat. But here 56 is high price. All people going from the bus station, Dow bus terminal. Peanuts. Yeah. Peanuts popular here. What is this? Why so traffic here? Maybe road works. Dow. I don't know why. This is bus stop. This is bus stop to Avenida. Avenida Balintawak also. No, I just showed. So, bus station to Avenida now here, not in Dow terminal. Okay. Okay, thank you. So you know, it's to Avenida, you can take bus here. Not need go to bus terminal. It's all close from the China. All from the China. Also here to Pasay. What happened in Dow terminal? I don't know why here bus stop. To Pasay also. I will check in Dow terminal now. Maybe Dow terminal is closed, I don't know. Windy little bit, but it's okay. Not hot. Okay, I will check why. Not enough space maybe in Dow terminal. Comfort room. No, it's not comfort. I don't know how to comfort. Uncomfort room. Uncomfort. This is also to Avenida. But why buses outside terminal now? I don't know. Bus terminal all the same. Nothing new. People waiting here. Waiting area. Yes, the same. Nothing new here. Very popular in the Philippines. Chicharron, okay. 150?
Yes, sir.
It's 130. But why? What different? It's another.
Yes, sir. No more spicy.
No more spicy. This spicy. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you. So you know, if a little bit high price, spicy. Maybe people like spicy here. Maybe not, I don't know. Chicharron is very popular in the Philippines. Chips. Chips. And this Clark Airport. This is one going to Clark Airport every 1 hour. Yeah. This one you cannot go to Clark.
I go to the Clark.
How fly? Not
Landing.
landing. It's good. It's good. If okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. Yeah. Philippine people funny. A little bit. That's why this is close to the entrance to hotel. A tourist take tricycle. Take a look with tricycle. About 100 peso to go to Walking Street, Angeles Walking Street. So you can need to negotiation with talk with every tricycle. You need to talk, but they know how much. You see, maybe first say expensive. That's why he want to ask another. No, thank you. 5-star bus here. I don't know why. Rabbit another side. Pasay, Avenida. When I buy action camera, I waiting action camera DJI Action 6 November 18 they start to sale, and I want to go to also Manila and filming and the video different place, like I want to show to you our travel, because with pocket camera it's not easy to because pocket camera is limited time to I cannot long time filming in this camera. Even I already change battery, but maximum maybe 40 minutes maximum. It's need to charge in long time. That's why I waiting DJI Action 6 camera. So good weather. Look, this is sunny day. I hope tomorrow typhoon already leave Philippines. I hope. Maybe already typhoon leave Philippines. It's like little bit affected only. Windy, sometimes little bit rain. And I need to go to home because maybe soon heavy traffic, I don't know. Better go to home right now. And we go with Shira to Clark to jogging today. Good weather today. Hi. MTech. It's same like Angeles Acta. Take a look. Windy now. Maybe start rain soon. Yeah, so strong wind right now. Maybe you cannot hear me. Strong. Okay, I will go to home already. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.